Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up animation scaling on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper to make your phone look smoother or faster. To do it, go to Settings, then go all the way down to System and click on About Phone. Then find build number and click on it 7 times. Then click on OK. And you may need to enter your screen lock. Then go back, and here you can see developer options. They have just appeared in the System tab in Settings, and now you need to scroll down to Animation Scaling. It is here, and you can change the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. I'm gonna just change the window animation scale, but you can also adjust the other ones. Click on it, then change the value. If there's a lower value, the animations will be faster. You can see already that they are faster. When there's a higher value, they will be slower. And when it's set to off, everything will happen immediately. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.